guys, I've just hopped out the shower. It's a Wednesday night and I cannot leave the flat any longer without cleaning it. So I'm gonna bosh on dinner. I'm gonna pop dinner on. I really fancy a chili con carne, so I'm gonna make a chili con carne. And while that's like simmering and all the juices are coming out and it's all lovely, I'm gonna do a real big speed clean of the flat, just because there's been a few things the past few days that are really bugging me. And in my head, I was like, no, I'm just gonna wait until Saturday and do a deep clean. But every time I see them, I'm like, I literally need to do them now. And I wanted to film it, so I don't wanna like start half cleaning and then by Saturday not be ready. So I'm gonna start with dinner. Why do my lips look do you know what? I think my lips are purple because I just ate a yogurt with some blueberries. But yeah, I'm gonna pop dinner on and then I'm just gonna bosh out some cleaning. I really just wanna get it done. I think I'm gonna set myself a timer of about an hour. I don't really want to be cleaning more than an hour because I've just done like, well, nearly a 9-hour shift actually because I did overtime. So gonna put dinner on and then we're just gonna have a big old speed clean. And I hope that anyone that is watching this, it's probably gonna go live on a Sunday, so it'd be like a Sunday clean. But if you want some motivation for a midweek clean, like my video, leave any comments below if there's anything that you want to see, and we can clean together.